Now question number 4. Find the midpoint between these. There are 3 points. 6, 6, 4, minus 2 is the first part. Part number 2 is minus 5, minus 7. And other point is minus 7 and 5. Third point is 8, 0, 0, 12, minus 12. We will solve only part number 3. Other 2 parts is your homework. So part number 3 is 8, 0 and 0, minus 12. There are 2 points. X1, this is X1, Y1, this is X2 and Y2. Now applying the midpoint formula, which is X1 plus X2 divided by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So midpoint of these points will be x1 is 8 and x2 is 0, 0 by 2. Y1 is 0 plus minus 12 by 2. So midpoint of these 2 points will be 8 by 2 minus 12 by 2. And midpoint will be 4 and minus 6. This is the answer. Now part number 1 and 2 is your homework.